Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ella Galbraith. I'm a sales consultant here with David Weekley in Jacksonville, Florida. And today I'm gonna walk you through our Lovett model. This is a 3-bedroom townhome here in the villas at Kettering in eTown. A couple of my favorite things about this floor plan is all of the windows and natural light that just pours into this home. You have a balcony that overlooks a beautiful fenced-in yard, and of course, a beautiful gourmet kitchen, which you can see behind me. Alrighty, for a quick rundown on this floor plan, this is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom floor plan. We build this floor plan in 2 different ways. The way that I will show you today is with a 3-car tandem garage, which is awesome and almost unheard of for a townhome. And the other way we build it is when we make it a 2-car garage, and we make that 3rd car tandem area into an enclosed retreat downstairs. I'll put a couple pictures of how that ends up looking later in the video, but let's go ahead and get this tour started. All right, so standing at the front door, you walk in, you have beautiful windows and the foyer area. This is currently our sales model, so of course this is normally not all here, but this would be your 3rd car tandem garage, and the tandem would go all the way up into that office. And to the left here, we have a built-in stop and drop area or backpack rack. And then this is where you would enter the garage from. And then down this hallway, you'll have lots of storage. So this is going to be under the stairs storage here. And you're gonna have 2 bedrooms downstairs. All right, so with this being an end unit, you do get a really huge yard and side yard. You can see it comes totally fenced in. And on the area where you are sharing a wall with your neighbor, we do the 6-foot vinyl privacy fence just to allow for some extra privacy. But this is a really great space for anyone with dogs or kiddos that need to run and play. We have our 3rd bedroom. Right now this is our design room, but this is the same size room that you would have. Of course, this countertop would not be there, and this bump out would not be here. And right where these cabinets are, we would have a closet. Have a gourmet kitchen, so the color of the cabinets may change depending on the home that you're purchasing, but everything you see here is included. So we do hardware on all of our cabinets. We do a backsplash with this stainless steel vent hood. This is a natural gas community, so you have a 5-burner cooktop natural gas. And then you get to have this really great area for hosting, very open, standing here, washing dishes, cleaning up from dinner, being able to converse with people in the living and the dining room. And like I mentioned, this home has so many windows. The entire rear and side of the home has windows, and you have natural light pouring in from just about every direction. You can also enjoy morning coffee on the balcony overlooking your fenced-in yard. This is also a great spot to have a grill out here as well. And at the end of the hallway is this beautiful, large owner's retreat. This is staged with a king-size bed, full-size nightstands. You can see we have 2 chairs here. You have this big walkway and a dresser here on this wall. 3 really big windows, and we also do a tray ceiling in every owner's retreat in our homes here in Kettering at eTown. Also do have a linen closet, which a lot of homes do not have nowadays, but David Weekley is very big on storage. One of my favorite things about this floor plan is, as the owner of the home with a townhome, you just come upstairs one time and then everything you need is on the same floor. And then downstairs you can have a more private area for a home office, for a guest suite, for more adult children or in-laws who are staying as well. And like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we do make this floor plan with the retreat downstairs. I'm gonna insert a couple of photos here on how that retreat ends up looking. And if you would like to schedule a visit to come tour this floor plan and others in the community as well, feel free to contact me. I'm here to be a resource for you and would love the opportunity to show you around this beautiful community. We are in our final phase of the neighborhood, but we do still have some great opportunities left. So for more information or to schedule a tour, contact me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.